check it out. Just 4 hours after the typhoon hit, they're already out here cleaning up everything. Yeah, what I was saying before I got cut off, because I ran out of storage space, I had to delete some stuff, was that those bricks, I mean, I thought those were extra bricks to repair stuff along the harbor, but it was actually not that. It was actually the harbor front that buckled and got ripped apart, where the bricks got torn off by the harbor front getting cracked from the wind, and then the wind peeled the bricks off and flung them through the air some 20-25 meters. Quite amazing. Yeah, it's smell the wood that's just been cut by chainsaw. It's like, yeah, they started this actually a couple hours ago, so just 2 hours after the typhoon passed through, the crews were already out starting to clean everything up. So 209 km/h wind speed at the airport. That's quite nearby. It might have been the same or a little bit less, a little bit more here, but yeah, should be just about the same based on the satellite data I was looking at. The big problem, as I mentioned, is the ship that smashed into the bridge at the airport. I don't know why they wouldn't, if they couldn't have finished the unloading of the fuel and gotten docked safely and gotten the ship tied up in time before the typhoon struck. I mean, why they wouldn't just wait somewhere safe until after, because apparently they just finished pumping out all the fuel that was on the ship, which was a good thing, except they ran out of time, so they didn't have time to moor the ship. I guess they had just undocked from where they unloaded the fuel and were going to moor somewhere safe exactly when the typhoon arrived, and it wasn't a great mystery when it was going to arrive, so seems like a ridiculously dumb mistake that now has oh yeah not just that people can't get to the airport to leave, but all the people that had arrived at the airport or were there, you know, with canceled flights, so both people that were trying to leave and people that had arrived but hadn't left the airport yet, or that were staying in the airport hotel that's also on the man-made island, they cannot, you know, can't go to or from unless by helicopter, and that doesn't work when you have thousands of people stuck there. It's going to be a lot of trips. So yeah, we'll see what the news bring tonight and tomorrow, if I can actually leave tomorrow, or if I have to maybe extend my rental car and drive to another part of Japan to be able to get on a flight.